PostgreSQL and PLPGSQL. So in this video we are going to learn about the code merging concept. So here is two assignments and we will complete the two assignments in this video. So first assignment is we need to convert one procedure from SQL Server to PostgreSQL. This is the manual merging. So we are not using any particular tool for the merging purpose. So first assignment is like converting store procedure merge, that is SQL Server Procedure, to equivalent PostgreSQL, and data type merging mapping in PostgreSQL. Means we have to convert one SQL procedure into the PostgreSQL database. So scenario is like, here is one member table. You can see there are four columns: member ID, first name, last name, and rank. So there is one another table, member staging table, and there are also four tables: member ID, first name, last name, and rank name. So the columns of the both tables are same. So we will see the what type of procedure is that. So here is one procedure, that is SQL Server Procedure. So procedure is like create or replace procedure, get merge as begin, merge into member staging. Means this is the procedure of merging. Here we are merging one data from the another, from one table to the another table. So we will see the code merge into member staging using one select statement on when matched then update, where when not matched then insert. uh, Here we are performing insert. Means the basic concept of this SQL Server Procedure is here one merge statement they have written, and they are performing one insert operation with the update operation. So on the basis of if the member ID is common, here you can see the on clause. If the member ID is matching, then they are inserting the data, sorry, they are updating the data, otherwise they are inserting the data into the another table. So there are two tables, that is we have seen here, member table and member staging table. So member table name is member table name is, you can see here, when not matched insert, they have written insert. So insert then, so this is the code of SQL Server. So here merge into this table using from when not matched update, where when when not matched insert values get merged. So member staging. So here is the next table, members. So we are using two tables in this procedure, means they have used and they want to migrate it from SQL Server to PostgreSQL. So I have studied the merge statement is basically doesn't work in the PostgreSQL. So we have to find one way to migrate this procedure into the PostgreSQL. So as per this procedure of SQL Server, we will use one concept in the PostgreSQL. Instead of using merge, we can use the on conflict statement in the PostgreSQL. So we can merge this procedure, and I have merged this procedure into the PostgreSQL. I will show you the code of that procedure. So here is the code of that procedure: create or replace function. So we can't create any procedures in the PostgreSQL because this is the 9.5 version we are using. I don't know about the upgraded new versions. So yeah, we are using 9.5 version, and here we are creating one procedure. So create or replace function name returns void, because we are performing one operation. Suppose we are firing any triggers, then we can write here any we return triggers. So we returns void because we are performing operation. Declare then begin. So here I am inserting a data into the member staging table. Select from the members table. So I'm going to do the update. So here I have written on conflict member id do update set rank is equal to excluded dot rank. So the concept of that SQL server procedure was, if the data is same, then update, otherwise insert. So as per that concept of that procedure, I have written code in a PostgreSQL. If the the concept of this procedure is like, uh, on conflict of member id, suppose member id is same, then I am going to update the rank column. If the member id is not same, then I am inserting the data from the member table. So this is the first assignment and we have covered this. So this is the basic concept of merging. Here we done one manual merging of assignment 1. So here we will see the second assignment. So second assignment is like, suppose I have synonym for the table employees in SQL Server, write equivalent code for PostgreSQL. So synonym concept is in the SQL Server, and basically we use synonym concept for the table aliases. So here the code of the SQL Server, create synonym name for employees, means they have created one synonym name, that is synonym test, for employees table. So what is the any is there any option for the synonym in PostgreSQL? So here is one question. So I was also got confused about this question, but after some research uh, I found one solution. So instead of creating synonym in a PostgreSQL, because the PostgreSQL doesn't support any synonym, so I have created one view. So view is nothing but it's a one virtual data. It's not a physical data, it's a mirror of a physical data. So instead of creating synonym, I have created one view in PostgreSQL. Create view, view name synonym test, add select star from employees. So synonym, if you use the synonym in SQL Server, then it will act as a alias of the table. So here in PostgreSQL you can use the view instead of using synonym. So this is the one option for the synonym in a PostgreSQL. So you have completed we have completed two assignments for the manual code merging. So from this assignment you got some basic idea about how we can merge the code from SQL Server to PostgreSQL. So here they have written data type mapping in PostgreSQL. So what is the data type differences between SQL Server and PostgreSQL? So they have given one table, that is member table. So they have written the data types also: number, varchar2, varchar2. So varchar2 support in PostgreSQL also, and the number is also maybe supported, but instead of writing numbers we can give the serial data type, and we can use the integer or small int data type in PostgreSQL also. So this is the basic concept about this assignment, and I hope you guys get some idea about how we can migrate the code from. I hope you will